so dark and it's been raining all day. But as I drink my coffee, I am going to be making my lunch and making my snack for work today. I know, yeah, this stuff should have been done last night, but you know what? I did most of the preparation yesterday. I boiled the eggs, cut up the eggs, cleaned the spinach, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna make me a nice, yummy spinach salad and one of my little Greek yogurt cups. It's gonna be really, really good. What I did though, I made sure my gym bag was packed. So my gym bag is packed and in the car. When I leave work, I'm gonna hit the gym, stop at the grocery store, and then I am going to come home. I have a corned beef in there, make some potatoes. We're gonna have corned beef, cabbage, potatoes, cornbread for dinner. I made the cabbage already and the cornbread already too. My lovely greens. You know what, you guys? It's a parasite in Michigan and Ohio, and I went so long without eating my greens and spinach because of being scared of the parasite. I feel like that was part of the reason why I gained weight, because I wasn't fixing salads. This is my chickpeas. You guys like chickpeas? I know, yummy, yummy, yummy. A couple of mushrooms. Should have cut them up, but oh well. Some yummy tomatoes. I had so much energy yesterday. I cleaned up last night and it took me a minute to go to sleep. I'm like, oh my goodness, whatever it is I did, I don't need to do that. Good thing I didn't have any coffee in the evening. But yeah, I like tomatoes. There's something about making my salads colorful. We have some pickled onions. I love pickled onions. I know I shouldn't be having onions at work, but guess what? I have a toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash at work. And I also have gum, but it just makes the salad so yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Black beans. This helps with some of the protein. The black beans and the chickpeas. And yes, black beans taste good on salad. It's good for fiber. I'm going to just fork off with the beans because I need it for my other salad toppings. No, you do not have to make your salad so complicated. I've been making this salad for a while, so I know what I like and I know what I want, and I prepared the day before. So if you prepare the day before, you can have a good healthy salad. These are my eggs. Helps with the protein. What else do we have here? Can't forget the cucumbers. My hands are clean. Cucumbers. Cucumbers. A little feta, which I don't need. Feta's so high in sodium, so I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit, just to give it a little, give it some cheese, right? And then, last but not least, a couple of Greek olives. Yes, they have the seeds, so when I'm eating them, I have to eat around the seed, but they're my favorite olives. So then put a lid on it. Put so much stuff in there, hopefully I can get the lid on. It's gonna be tight, but then I have these little cups that I ordered from Amazon, I believe, to put my salad dressing in. There you have it, my lunch. It is tight because so much food, but I did it. That's my lunch. Now it's time to make my snack, then clean up, then get in the shower. So first, we start with some Greek yogurt, a little bit of the water. I really should be measuring, making sure I'm getting in the protein. Maybe I start that in a couple days. Can't do so much at once. But this is gonna end up being like a dessert. Get your Greek yogurt, chia seeds. I don't know, that was probably a teaspoon, right? I need a little bit of milk in mine. This is some almond milk to make it a little bit milkier. It helps me stir up the ingredients. You guys know Greek yogurt is so thick. I am gonna add a little bit of oats. Yeah, no, I'm not doing keto. I'm eating some carbs. And believe it or not, these are some protein oats. Put that there, and you know what? I forgot to grab my fruit. So I have some frozen blueberries. And the reason why I have frozen, because that Parasite, I was scared and I bought a bunch of frozen blueberries, and I'm not gonna waste them. So once they're gone, I'll go back to my fresh blueberries. So let me grab my blueberries. All right, I have my organic blueberries. Just a few, just a few, just a few. Next, I'm gonna grab some cinnamon. Oh, and a little bit of sweetener of your choice. So, give me some little cinnamon. Why make that noise? Cinnamon is very good for you. And then this is what I use for my sweetener. RX sugar, 0 calories, 0 net carbs. It's organic liquid sugar. It's that A word right there. Allulose. It's really, really, really sweet. And it doesn't give you as much as a insulin spike as some other sugars. But, and then I just take the spoon, stir it up, put the cap on it, and go. That's my snack. So I'm gonna eat really, really good at work. I'll be back. You guys, I told you I was gonna be right back. You thought I wasn't gonna share my breakfast with you? Let's have breakfast. All right, my breakfast is a protein shake. So I use almond milk, 2 scoops of Farmasi meal replacement. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot my creatine. Can't forget the creatine. And my Farmasi NutriPlus creatine. You guys, creatine is important. Google it. Just 1 scoop. But you have to be careful with creatine. You can't have too much. You don't want to get constipated. When you drink creatine, make sure you're drinking a lot of water. And then I just shake it up and I walk around and get ready while I have my breakfast. That's it. That's breakfast. You guys thought I was going to forget about you all. No, I had to get dressed and get ready to come to work. So I am at work and I am about to fill up my Stanley with my water, and I am going to make it a little festive with my NutriPlus L-carnitine. It has L-carnitine, green tea, and vitamin B6 in it, and it tastes delicious. This is the, I believe it's mango something flavor, not for sure, but it is tasty. Talk to you soon. All right, it is the end of the day, and I packed my gym clothes, put them on. I was making every single excuse not to go to the gym after work, but I'm going because that's the issue with me. I come up with any excuse, and you guys, my excuses be so good. I mean, so good. It's hard to like blame myself for not going to the gym for the excuses that I have. I'm dead serious. I'm about to put my water in my cup and go. My day was pretty productive. I got some things done, got some calls made, and got some plans in place in my head. Now I just have to put the plans on paper, send out recaps, plan for the next meetings. See you soon. I went through with the workout, and my main excuse that I wasn't gonna go was because I needed to go to the grocery store, and guess what? The grocery store right next door at this gym.